Welcome again to our bird series. In this part, we will explore more amazing birds, their incredible abilities and fascinating habits. Let's continue our journey into the wonderful world of birds. Geese. Geese are strong birds that live in groups, often near lakes and rivers. They have long necks and webbed feet for swimming. Geese eat grass, seeds and small insects. They migrate in large V-shaped flocks, which helps them save energy and communicate while flying. Geese are also protective parents, guarding their eggs and goslings carefully. Swan. Swans are large, graceful birds known for their long necks and beautiful white feathers. They live in lakes and rivers and eat plants, small insects and fish. Swans are strong flyers, sometimes migrating long distances. They mate for life and are often seen swimming together in pairs. Their elegance and quiet gliding on water make them symbols of beauty. And that is the end of this part of our bird series. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing birds and their fascinating habits. Don't forget to follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel JK Knowledge Climax so you won't miss the next part. Stay curious and see you in the next video.